I got, what are these? Lamb shanks. So again, the leg of a lamb. Now this is gonna be closer down. But again, we got a big bone running through here, some meat here, some kind of connective tissue. We're gonna salt this, sear it off really hot. This time we're gonna combine it with rosemary, garlic, and Chianti. It's gonna be like an Italian style. Salt these babies off. Boom. Oil in my pan, it's good and hot. I'm gonna go right there. I'll just hit the backside of the salt, and I'm gonna work these, sear them hard on all sides, and check back in. I'm gonna call it there. From there, I've got 8 cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna do that. Heel of palm. Is that what that's called? Heel of palm. Press it down. Just kind of open them up a little bit. See that? Drop these babies in there. So it's about 4 cloves per shank. And then cover this with foil in the oven, 350, hour and a half, 2 hours. It's gonna be delectable. I can see this kind of puffing up a little bit. And with those shanks, you want to turn these guys halfway through. And you'll be able to see that color that's coming into the meat now from the wine. Turn them over. Rosemary will keep doing its thing. I can definitely get the alcohol coming off that completely different smell from the ossobuco. So our goal here is to have this stuff fork tender, but we still want it to hold onto that bone so we can get it to the plate for service. So these babies need to cook longer. Alright, turn these over. Now we're looking, yeah, nice and tender. They're gonna hang on, but once we start chopping into them, they'll give us some love. Put it here. I've done a couple things in the past where I've taken the juices out of here, kind of skimmed off the fat, strained off the rosemary and garlic, and then pureed the sauce. Or no, I left the garlic in there and pureed all that. Don't like the color that it gives me, so I'm going to use some parsnip puree here kind of as a base. Alright, so here's our lamb shank. We jazzed it up a little bit. We got it on some parsnip puree, little aioli coming out here, some pesto, a marrow bone, and then I gave a little drizzle of an aged balsamic over the top. Functional garnish with our rosemary. Why? Because they're rosemary braised lamb shank. That's why, right? Chianti and rosemary, garlic, all that good stuff. So, does it look like a caveman meal? I think it does.